Hi, so paano tayo magre-renew ng IMG accreditation for the year 2026? So, i-type mo lang dito IMG Kiosk 2, then select this one. And then dito sa IMG membership, click nyo po itong accreditation renewal. Yan. In this window, kailangan nyo pong tigyang mabuti yung coverage. Naka-default po siya na 2025. So, gagawin nyo po, meron po siyang drop down dito. Yan. Click 2026. Then sa search code, so you may check your email kung ano yung agent code nyo if hindi nyo tanda. And paste mo lang siya dyan. Tapos may result dito, click mo yon. Tapos click next. Okay, make sure na tama po itong agent code including the coverage before clicking the next button. Yan, meron naman siyang dialog box. Are you sure? Before proceeding, please review the applicable year you want to pay. Click OK to proceed or cancel to review. Click OK. Yan. Tapos, pili ka na ng payment medium for this case. Yan. So, ito yung mga bank account ni IMG. So, ito naman yung mga payment options natin. Like Nuracash if may laman yon, video bills payment, Palawan Express, money remittance, bank deposit, online bank transfer, credit card. Yan. Okay.